Explore the biography of the famous person in minutes. Kanye West. Early life and family. Kanye West, now called Ye, was born on June 8, 1977, in Atlanta, Georgia. His early life was shaped by his parents' divorce when he was just 3 years old. He grew up mainly with his mother, Donda West, who was a teacher and later became his manager. Donda's influence on his life and career was strong until she passed away in 2007, which deeply affected him. Rise to fame. Kanye started his career in the late 1990s as a producer. He became well known for his unique style, called chipmunk soul, which used sped-up samples from soul music. He produced tracks for popular artists, including Jay-Z. However, Kanye wanted to be a performer himself. His first album, The College Dropout, came out in 2004 and changed the way people viewed hip-hop. It talked about consumerism, racism, and the value of education, earning him 3 Grammy Awards and establishing his place in music. Musical success. After this success, Kanye released more highly praised albums. His second album, Late Registration, came out in 2005 and combined hip-hop with orchestral sounds, winning 3 more Grammys. In 2007, he released Graduation, which had a more electronic style and sold nearly 1 million copies in its first week. This album further solidified his status as a major artist. Personal challenges. Tragedy struck in 2007 when his mother died due to complications from surgery. This loss affected Kanye deeply and influenced his next album, 808s and Heartbreak, 2008, which expressed themes of grief and loneliness. In this album, he used auto-tune to sing, a technique that became popular in hip-hop. Fashion ventures and controversies. Kanye also ventured into fashion in the late 2000s. After facing challenges with his early collections, he found success with his Yeezy brand, especially through a partnership with Adidas that started in 2015. This collaboration was very successful, but it ended in 2022 due to controversies surrounding his remarks. Throughout his career, Kanye has often been in the spotlight for his controversial actions. One of the most talked about moments was when he interrupted Taylor Swift's acceptance speech at the 2009 MTV Video Music Awards. He has also made statements that upset many people, including comments about slavery. Personal life and relationships. In his personal life, Kanye's relationship with Kim Kardashian attracted a lot of media attention. They began dating in 2012, married in 2014, and had 4 children, North, Saint, Chicago, and Psalm. Their marriage ended in divorce in 2022. Later, in December 2023, Kanye married Bianca Censori, an Australian model and architect, in a private ceremony. As of 2024, Kanye West's net worth is estimated at about $400 million. This marks a significant drop from his previous billionaire status, largely due to the fallout from his controversial comments and the end of business deals. Despite the ups and downs in his career and personal life, Kanye West remains an important figure in both music and fashion. He is known for his creativity and lasting impact on popular culture.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.